Easipart XL HD is designed for the beginning to mid-progressive stages of hair loss. This heat-resistant topper is available in 8, 12, and 18-inch lengths, offering styling options of human hair. Let's take a look at the base design. Easipart XL features a single monofilament which allows the wearer to part the hair in any direction. The polyurethane-coated monofilament perimeter allows for the use of adhesive if desired, and the pressure-sensitive clips secure the topper to your biological hair. Heat-resistant fiber allows for multiple styling options. Let's take a look at how we achieved this style with Easipart XL. To style your topper, pin to your canvas blockhead, pinning only through the clips. Do not pin through any base materials. Set your flat iron to 270 to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a small section and apply 1 to 2 pumps of heat treat thermal spray, depending on length, to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a flat iron to style the fiber with a slight bend. Allow the fiber to cool completely. Always pre-style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. Apply your topper 1 to 2 inches back from the hairline and blend with your biological hair. See our Prepare Your Topper for Styling and Application video for more details. Use your fingers to finish styling. To watch more styling videos, click on our styling playlist. For anything else you need to know about toppers, click on Hair Toppers 101.